Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can make and upload your TikTok videos from your laptop or PC. To do so, you just have to open up TikTok on your Google web browser like I already did and log into your account. After logging into your account, you can see that you're on the home page or on the For You page of TikTok. And here you can see an option for upload on the top right side of your screen. If you simply click on upload, now it will take you to a different page. That is TikTok Studios, and here on TikTok Studios you are able to select any kind of videos that you have pre-made on your laptop from using your own recording or from your video. To upload the video, just go on to select video and a different folder will open up here like it is, and you are able to select any kind of videos that you want to upload from your PC. And that's how you can make or pre-make a video and upload to your TikTok from PC. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.